ladies and gentlemen. I am Moses Sendanayaka from Foreign Toastmasters Club, and we had a very special guest today from United Arab Emirates, from District 105, Toastmaster Amjad Ali. And he was experiencing this Toastmaster experience in Sri Lanka for the first time, and our club Foreign Toastmasters were so fortunate enough to host him for the first time and give him this experience, and we were so privileged to have him in our meeting. So Amjad, thank you very much for coming to the Toastmasters. It's a pleasure, and we'd like to hear how was the experience in Toastmasters Club, and how would you like to describe it?
First of all, hi everyone, how are you doing? Thank you so much for having me, Toastmaster Moses, in your club. And before I will speak about the club, I would love to mention you guys are, I heard about you, about Arab, and they are amazing, and now you showed me the gesture, and I'm so happy to be part of you guys and be in your country as well. Thank you so much for being so special and being part of my life. Now let's talk about Varana Toastmasters Club. Yeah, trust me, they are very good hosts. If you're coming to Sri Lanka and contact them, and they will show you the process. Today I spoke, they gave me speech slots. They were wonderful. I spoke, and I don't know what if they got something from me or not, but thing is, I learned a lot from them. They are good people. They are kind-hearted, very supportive, and I wish them good luck, and I encourage them be the way you are.
Thank you so much. Absolutely. Thank you. It's a pleasure, Toastmaster Amjad Ali, and whenever you visit Sri Lanka, please, doors of our Toastmasters Club open for you anytime.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, everyone.